As a seasoned accounting software expert, I understand that managing finances efficiently is paramount for any business owner. One crucial aspect of this is handling payroll accurately and on time. If you're already using or considering FreshBooks for your accounting needs, a natural question arises. Does FreshBooks directly handle payroll? Let's delve into this important topic and clarify what FreshBooks offers in terms of payroll processing. The direct answer: FreshBooks doesn't offer native payroll. To put it simply, FreshBooks does not have a built-in direct payroll processing feature. While FreshBooks excels in areas like invoicing, expense tracking, project management, and client communication, it doesn't offer the functionality to directly pay your employees or contractors, calculate payroll taxes, or generate payroll-related forms within its platform. This might come as a surprise to some, especially given the comprehensive suite of features FreshBooks provides for managing other aspects of business finances. However, it's important to understand the strategic focus of FreshBooks. Their core strength lies in streamlining the financial interactions between a business and its clients, primarily through invoicing and related functionalities. Why the need for payroll integration? Even though FreshBooks doesn't handle payroll directly, the need for payroll management is undeniable for businesses with employees or regular contractors. Accurate and timely payroll is crucial for several reasons. Legal compliance. Businesses are legally obligated to withhold the correct taxes, income tax, Social Security, etc., from employee paychecks and remit them to the appropriate government agencies. They also need to comply with labor laws regarding minimum wage, overtime pay, and record keeping. Employee satisfaction. Employees expect to be paid accurately and on time. Errors or delays in payroll can lead to dissatisfaction, trust issues, and even legal disputes. Accurate financial reporting. Payroll costs are a significant expense for many businesses. Accurate payroll records are essential for generating accurate financial statements and making informed business decisions. Time savings. Manually calculating payroll, taxes, and generating pay stubs can be time-consuming and prone to errors. A dedicated payroll system automates these processes, freeing up valuable time for business owners to focus on other critical tasks. The FreshBooks solution: integration with third-party payroll services. Recognizing the importance of payroll for its users, FreshBooks has taken a strategic approach by integrating with reputable third-party payroll services. This allows FreshBooks users to seamlessly connect their accounting data with specialized payroll platforms. Through these integrations, you can typically sync employee/contractor information, avoid the need to manually enter employee or contractor details into both FreshBooks and the payroll system, transfer work hours/payment information, easily transfer data related to billable hours or fixed payments from FreshBooks to the payroll system for processing. Record payroll expenses in FreshBooks. Automatically record payroll-related expenses, wages, taxes, deductions, in your FreshBooks account for accurate financial tracking. Popular payroll services that integrate with FreshBooks. While the specific list of integrations might evolve, some popular payroll services that often integrate with FreshBooks include Gusto, a well-regarded platform known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive payroll features for small businesses. SurePayroll offers online payroll services with options for tax filing and HR support. Payment Evolution, a Canadian-based payroll service that caters to businesses in Canada. How the integration typically works. The integration process usually involves a few simple steps. Choose a compatible payroll service. Select a payroll provider that integrates with FreshBooks and meets your business needs. Sign up for the payroll service. Create an account with your chosen payroll provider. Connect your FreshBooks account. Within your FreshBooks settings or the payroll services platform, you'll find an option to connect your FreshBooks account. This usually involves authorizing the two systems to share data. Map data fields. You might need to map specific data fields between FreshBooks and the payroll system to ensure information is transferred correctly, e.g., matching client names or expense categories. Run payroll in the payroll system. Once connected, you'll manage the actual payroll processing, entering hours, approving payments, etc. within the chosen payroll services platform. Sync payroll data to FreshBooks. After payroll is processed, The relevant financial data, payroll expenses, taxes, will typically be automatically synced back to your FreshBooks account, ensuring your financial records are up to date.